Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
As the PS said that I have wear two hats, so I'll be the president of a club and at the same time the minister. Tamvana, right? The Minister of Defense, my brother Kaupa, Minister of Labor, also my brother George Gona, MP, Deputy Minister of Natural Resources, 50, Chimpinganjira, Deputy Minister of Education, 40, MP, the Secretary of Sports, Mr. James Mundalama, Farm President, my big brother Fred Haya, my young brother Tadikira, Gakena Mafana Misinku, but my young brother, the chairperson, board members of Masters Management FC, all senior government officials, distinguished team officials and players, members of the media, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. My people of football, good evening. You are not answer with power. Can you answer, please? My people of football, good evening. Kawe mfuna mbega mwina Onesimus gavena Erunjish kudi mukale omasuka. Yeah? Tamange magazi. Today is an important day for Masters FC. Today is a loud day. Today is a proud day. Today we make noise because something has returned. Something has risen. Something has refused to die. Masters is back. Football is not just a game. Football is fire. Football is blood. Football is heartbeat. When the whistle blows, you don't just hear sound. You hear dreams. You hear hope. You hear life itself. And for me, football is not just a business first. Football is love. At just 28 years old, I said, at just 28 years old, I mean myself, I made a decision that many people could not believe or understand. I went to Area 36 and I bought a team. Green Rangers become Masters. People laughed. People talked. People said, this boy, what he's doing. But I knew, because when a man sees his future, he does not ask for permission. In 2016, I put 6 Mema Kwaja into this club. Not because someone forced me, not because I want headlines. I did it because football was calling me. And when football calls, you answer. In 2017, I said something must change. At that time, many teams were squeezed into small buses, coasters, minibuses, tight, uncomfortable, no dignity. I said no. My prayers are not passengers. My prayers are professionals. So, I bought a full bus, a little bus, a bus that says, this team is going somewhere. And yes, I was the first to do it. Only one man beyond that time, his professor, Arthur Peter Mutharika, who took it even higher with big buses for Maidri before Wanderers and also big bullets. That vision, that is leadership. And me, I was learning, I was watching, I was building. And when we stepped on the field, we did not go there to decorate. We went there to fight. We went to CAF, not once, but twice. Angola, Uganda. We carried on our back. That is not a small. That was history. That is history. Then came 2019, relegated. Pain, silence, questions. But let me tell you something. A lion can fall, but a lion does not become a goat. We went down, but we did not finish. We were preparing, we were planning. We are here, we were coming back. And today, after 8 years, we are not beginning back. We are coming back standing tall. Masters is reborn. Stronger, shaper, hungrier. To my prayers, when you wear that jeans, do not wear it like a cloth. Wear it like armor. Learn like warriors. Fight like champions. Because the badge on your jeans, on your chest, has a story. To the supporters, you are not just the fans. You are the funder. You are funder. When we shout, the ground must shake. When you sing, the team must rise. Stand with us, carry us, push us. Now, let me speak as a minister. I thank his professor, Arthur Peter Mutharika, for trusting me with this responsibility. I do not joke with this duty because football is not play. Football is job. Football is money. Football is future. We must build stadiums. We must support teams. We must protect investors because when football grows, Malawi grows. My dream is big. I want Malawi football at the level of Brazil. I remember the previous football president, Mr. Oranya Minando. He mentioned sometimes said he want to see Malawi. Okay, Malawi was playing like Barcelona. So myself, I want to see Malawi playing as Brazil. Some people will laugh, I know, because we are like that. We always laugh things. When someone is doing big, you always laugh. But it's up to you. Let them laugh. Because every big thing starts with a dream. But we cannot do it alone. We move together, government, clubs, prayers, supporters, sponsors. One team, one mission. So today, I say this. Let us rise, let us build, let us believe. Say it with me. Please, say it with me. Malawi football will rise. Mufulumira. Malawi football will rise again. Malawi football will rise again. Malawi football will rise again. Thank you. God bless you.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.